this this woodworker starts, but it won't. When putting gas, this wire is too long, so it don't give the chance. It doesn't have enough pressure to pull the carburetor down once it starts. I'm gonna show you how that goes. So put gas now. Let me see. Oh, no gas. Yeah, okay, let's see if it starts with that little bit of gas. To subscribe, forever subscriber, I'll subscribe back and give it a like. I need a few dozen likes. This is a 4-cycle woodworker. As you see, this is the gas is too tight, so it won't engage when I try. It's too loose, I'm sorry. So when I push on the trigger, watch the wire moves a little bit, but it does not pull the carburetor. So this is what I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna fix that wire because I gotta take this can out, and then I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna cut this, and I'm gonna solder it. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be back. So here I'm gonna take the this got 2 washers that we gotta watch really closely. Just put them over here. We use this to put everything inside there. It got 2 washers. This washer and this washer. They go right here like that. So I'm gonna take this over. This and goes over there like that. Then now I could now we could cut. I'm gonna cut this right there. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it right. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it right here, right there. We're gonna cut it right there. Okay. Now we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut right here. Watch out, right here. Right there, like that. The reason we cut it like that is so we could try to do this like that. So you could try to do this like this. Like that. Vice grips to hold them together so they don't move all over, and we have enough of that wire. So we could pinch the wires together. Okay. We use some carburetor cleaner to clean it. Solder. We use some solder paste to do the soldering. This is gonna help us do the soldering over here. Once we connect it. So okay. We're done. And oh frick, I forgot the wire. The one, I think it's this one. It's smaller, this one is smaller. Smallest one, and this one. Let me see. Oh, it's a white, it's a black one. Yeah, but yeah, it's two black ones. Make it to black. Okay, so now this one goes. We're gonna use the cover. I forgot to put the covers in. So look at. So I'm doing too much mambo jumbo right here. That's because I forget one thing or I forget another one. I forget one thing or I forget a different thing. Yes. Yeah, that one like that. Okay. So now we're gonna got that one like that right there. And this one right there like that, and then let me see, I'll put one more of these over here, just so I could have a little star over there, have a little star right there. So now, because the solder is very hot, there. Just like that. So now, okay, the process of doing the soldering, the process of doing the soldering is gonna be noisy. So from here on, you're gonna see, you're gonna look at it, and I'm going to, because it's gonna be noisy for me to explain, and so I'm gonna explain it after I'm done. I'm going to show you the process when it's gonna be hard. When it's going to be hard, I'm gonna use some of the solder paste. I'm gonna use some of the solder paste and put it inside here, and then as a matter of fact, I like to put this solder paste right now on it. Let me see. I put some solder paste right now, right there, like that. Right there, like that. This is what I'm gonna do first. So I'm gonna do this one first, and then I'm gonna do the same procedure after I take this off. I do the same procedure to continue with the rest. And I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna get my solder, my solder stuff over here. So this is already there. Now I'm gonna get my solder. Is this one, okay? This solder I'm gonna use, okay? So I'm ready to put it on now. I'm ready to warm this, get this heat up now. Okay, I'm all ready now. From here it's gonna be noisy, okay? So we did the soldering over there. Now let's try. Let's see. Let's hope it works this time. Let's see what it does. There. So with the soldering, we're gonna get ready to start this over here. Look at this. Like this. Just to get around. Nothing. We're not securing anything. We just. Okay. So it's fixed. There you go. So now we're gonna put everything back together again, and then we could give it a one more try if we decide to do that. If we decide to do that, we could give it one more try. But this could stay like that, but I could leave it like that, but maybe not. Let me see. I should have put another one. Okay, we got that like that. Okay, let me see. I could use something to heat this up. Let me see. Okay, let me see. Here. No. Okay, like that. Okay. Go like that. Let me see. Let me see. Maybe not. Let me see. There. Now it's nice and tight and ready to use now. So now let me put this first over here so I could have an idea of what I'm doing. All right. So This is step by step now. I'm putting this back right here, like that. And I'm putting this one over here. Let me see. I'm putting this one over here. Only so I could have a... Yeah, let me put the gas tank first over here. Then we could go ahead and continue with the rest. I'll put this one over here in the bottom too as well. So and go straight down. Put the washer on it. I know you cannot see because it's difficult to see, but it's there because it's going in. Watch, you see that? Now it's going in. Now you see it's done. That one's done over there, and this one is done over here, up here. That was the whole thing about. By the way, I changed some lines to the lines over here. These lines, the bulb, this hose right here, this line that goes into the bulb goes into the tank with no filter. This one that goes into the carburetor goes into the tank with a filter, just so you know, so you don't get confused. The bulb never has no filter, and the one that goes to the carburetor yeah, the one that goes to the carburetor takes a filter. So everything is done now. All we're gonna do is we're gonna put the cover back on, this cover back on right here. And the woodwalker is perfectly fine now. No problems, running perfectly fine. To shut it off right there, shut it off. Okay, so it's perfectly fine and running.